Hey traders, what to trade during this Christmas week? In this video, I'll discuss pound dollar, euro dollar, gold, Bitcoin. We will analyze the structure of the year, we will execute the top-down analysis. I will share with you my trading recommendations and predictions for this week. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. Right, traders, let's start with the pound dollar pair, and as you remember, the market is trading here in a very strong bearish trend. You can see that we are falling sharply, and at the moment I see that the market is stuck between two trend lines. Look, over here is our first trend line. Yes, from that low high we can spot this very strong falling trend line, and for now the low highs I perfectly respect this trend line. And here I see one more. If we take that lower low and from that draw this trend line, you can see that it looks like we are kind of trading within the expanding wedge pattern. And you can see that recently the support of this expanding wedge pattern was reached, and from that we saw a pullback. Yes, you can see that the market retraced nicely. Hey traders, don't miss a big Christmas sale on my premium educational group. Get a lifetime access to the group with the 40% discount. You will get the access to my live streams. You will get the ebook with my trading strategy, and you will get a lot of educational videos. For more info, check my website. It is vasilitrader.com/private group, the link in the description below, or text me in one of the social networks. I will give you more details. Don't miss your chance. Zooming in the chart, we can see in details how the price reacted to the support of the wedge that we spotted. And look, once the support was reached, we bounced nicely. We bounced and the market reached this quite strong daily structural resistance. Yes, you can see that once that resistance was reached, we dropped again. So what is next? Let's analyze the intraday time frames, and I will give you trading recommendations for this week. Do not look for big moves this week, rather look for quick intraday trades. And here I see a very nice trading range for you to trade. Here you can see that we have a very strong resistance. This resistance we spotted on a daily time frame. And here I see a very nice minor structure support. You can see how many times in the recent past that support is respected. And moreover, that support is also based on the trend line that we spotted on a daily. So that is your support. So your plan for pound dollar for this week is very simple. Wait for the test of the support of this range and wait for the confirmation right here to buy the market. Your goal will be the resistance of the range. And once the resistance of the range is reached, look for the confirmation right here. And then short, expecting a bearish continuation to the support of the range. It is the classic range trading. By the confirmation, I mean the reversal pattern being formed on a 4-hour or 1-hour time frame, or at least a reversal candlestick pattern formation. And now let's take a look at Bitcoin. You can see that the market is very bearish right now. And what happened recently, the market violated a key level to the downside. Here we got a very strong structure support that was broken. And the point is that the closest strong structure support on the daily time frame is right here. Yes, that area. And you can see that for now we are relatively far from that structure. So just from a daily time frame perspective, I believe that the market can easily go lower. I believe that the market can easily reach that blue box before we see a strong bullish continuation. Yes, so the 40,000 area is the closest area for you to look for long-term buying opportunities. But what about the intraday perspective? We are on the 4-hour time frame, and you can see that the market is steadily falling. For now, the price is stuck within this falling wedge pattern. Here goes the resistance of the wedge, and here goes the support of the wedge. So if you are a scalper, if you are an intraday trader, consider the resistance of this wedge pattern for interest, yes, to catch a bearish continuation. Or alternatively, look for the test of the support of the wedge, and from there look for buying opportunities. Again, you can see that here we talk about the quick trades, quick intraday trades. You sell from the resistance of the wedge and you buy from the support of the wedge. Yes, following this simple strategy. Now let's talk about euro dollar. I'm on a 3 days time frame, and here on the left I see a very strong horizontal structure. Here we have a very strong area of demand, and you can see that even though the market was falling sharply, even though we had a very strong bearish continuation right here, once that blue structure was reached, we retraced from that. And now the market looks quite weak. And look what I spotted on a 4-hour time frame. On a 4-hour time frame, I spotted a very nice intraday structural resistance. Here it goes. That resistance was respected many times in the recent past. And 1, 2, 3, 4 times in a row, bears were pushing from that resistance. So here I have two options for you. The first option is to patiently wait for the test of that resistance, and once it is reached, look for the confirmation within that blue area to sell. Again, look for the reversal pattern. Look for the reversal candlestick pattern formation before you sell. You need the confirmation, right? And once you sell, wait for a bearish continuation to that local horizontal structure support. Or I have one more option for you to follow right here. Wait for the bullish breakout of that blue structure. Yes, wait for the bullish violation of that blue structure resistance and then buy on a retest. Then after the breakout of that horizontal structure to the upside, the market will most likely go much higher, at least to 1.5 level. So either you sell from that resistance with the confirmation, or you patiently wait for the breakout, at least 4-hour candle close above that entire area, and then you buy on a retest. And what is up with gold? I'm on a daily time frame, and here I am still bullish. I'm very bullish. I want to remind you that from the beginning of August, once that structure low was reached, the market started to trade in a bullish trend. We reached that structure high, we retraced, we set a high low right here, and then we went higher and set a new high close right here. And after that, we saw a very strong retracement. The price retraced to a very strong horizontal structure support, and from that support, we bounced nicely. And my mid-term perspective is still very bullish, yes, and I believe that the market at some moment will go higher, but probably not this year. Let's analyze the intraday perspective and let's check what is happening there. We are on a 4-hour time frame, and again, look what is happening with gold. Gold is ranging. Gold is trading in a sideways market. The market here is consolidating. And here we have this very strong horizontal structure resistance, the intraday one. And here we have our major daily structure support. So what is your plan? Your plan again is the following. You patiently wait for the test of the resistance of the range, and from here you short, expecting a bearish movement. By the way, look at this cute doji candle that was formed on the resistance of that range, and how nicely the market dropped right now. The main problem right here is with the targets, however. You can see that on the left, we also have this minor intraday structure support. So if you short the resistance of our range right here on gold, you should have two targets. Yes, your first target is that support, and your second target is that support. Yes, so two target trees. And by the way, talking about the stop placement for the range trading, remember that once you open your short position from the resistance of the range, your safest stop is lying above that. Yes, at least 1820 level will be your safest stop loss. And in case if you buy from the support of the range, yes, remember that your safest stop loss is lying below the lows of the range. 1750 will be your safest stop loss. Also consider again the breakout trading. Just in case if you see a bullish breakout, the 4-hour candle close above the resistance of the range, then on a retest you can buy the market expecting a bullish continuation. I guess in case of a bullish continuation, the market can easily reach 1848 level. And same thing with the bearish breakout. Yes, in case if that blue zone, blue structure is broken to the downside, and by the way, you need the daily candle close below that to confirm the breakout. It is the daily structure, not the intraday structure. And in case if the price closes below that on a daily, then a strong bearish continuation will be expected. And on a retest, you can sell the market. Hey traders, that will be the last trading week for me this year, and moreover after Wednesday I won't open new trading positions, and on Friday before the market closes I will close all my active trades. Also traders, don't forget to check my premium educational group. It is the 40% discount, it is the Christmas sale, don't miss your chance, the link in the description below. Please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Merry Christmas traders.